Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. This is a section in St. Thomas, and this road was built to bypass the Grand Spend area. So the highway the highway will run from Harborview to Port Antonio. I'm just going to slow down so you guys can see the view. What a spectacular view. And you're going to have this kind of view all along the highway. So this highway project is to build a highway along the coast of Jamaica, the entire coast of Jamaica. And this section of the highway will take you from Harborview along the coast to Port Antonio. It goes through St. Andrew, St. Thomas, and Portland. So this is what the road will look like when it's finished. It's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway, 2 in this direction, 2 in the other direction. So this section, these 2 lanes are finished. You can see them working on the 2 lanes on the other side. So right now it's only 2 lanes that are finished, but eventually 4 will be finished. And right here you can turn off to access the Grand Spend area. Now, parts of Bull Bay and parts of Grand Spend have been bypassed by the highway, meaning it's not going to run through those communities. At some point, the highway runs along the existing roadway, so that's fine. The traffic is still there for the persons that have businesses, etc. in those areas. But at certain points in Bull Bay and Grand Spend, the highway goes on a new route and a new road has been built. So the section that bypasses Bull Bay, that road is not open yet, so they still have the traffic, so they haven't felt it. However, the part that bypasses Grand Spend, it's open. This is the road we are on now. Grand Spend has felt it. They have seen a serious drop in their sales, revenue, because the traffic is just not passing through that community anymore. And why would you go through that community when you can drive on this nice road? And this is, let me tell you, a very nice road. Now we have other roads like this in Jamaica, which is Highway 2000. But the difference is this is a free road. It's a non-toll road. You don't have to pay to use this road. Highway 2000, that's the highway that runs from Kingston to Montego Bay and Kingston to Ocho Rios. It's a toll road. You have to pay to use that road. It's a very expensive road, but that's another video. This is what the Southern Coastal Highway will look like. You can drive from Harborview to Port Antonio on a road like this and pay nothing in toll. This is the largest road project the government has on the way right now. And remember, it's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway, 4 lanes. These 2 lanes are open, but they're working on the 2 lanes on the other side of the concrete barricade. So that's the finished section of the highway. Now from Harborview to Bull Bay, the highway will run along the existing roadway and it's going to be 4 lanes. From Bull Bay to the Southern Coast Adventure Park, the highway, a new road has been built, and that's why it's going to bypass a certain part of Bull Bay. From the Southern Coast Adventure Park to Grand Spend, it runs along the existing roadway, which is the road that we have videos up at that section. And then when it gets to Grand Spend, which is where this video started, the road bypasses the town and a new road was built, and that's the road we just drove on. And then now the road rejoins from Grand Spend to Albion. The road runs along the existing roadway. There you can see the road on the left, and you can see the existing roadway on the right. The new road is on the left, and it will run along the existing roadway all the way to Albion. So from Harborview to Albion in St. Thomas, it's 4 lanes. From Albion to the Yallows Bridge, it's 2 lanes. And the highway will continue with that alignment or that setup all the way to Port Antonio. Some sections will be 4 lanes, some sections will be 2 lanes, some sections a new road will be built, some sections it will run along the existing roadway. Alright, so we're going back onto a section now that is finished. Or this side of the road is finished. Alright, so we're coming up to the Albion section now, and this is where the 4 lanes will end, and it will continue with 2 lanes to the Yalos Bridge. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.